certified Ish, and today you'll be seeing me reconstruct the old wig into a new wig and installation. Stay tuned. First, we'll start off by reconstructing my client's old blonde wig from her previous install. My client wanted a new style for the summer, so we decided to use the rose gold pink from the Kiss collection. To achieve this look, we boiled a hot pot of water and poured it into a bucket. I recommend a clear bucket to be able to see the hair change, but if you don't have one, that's fine. We started to add the dye to the water. Each time we added the dye, we stirred it around to get an even mixture. Then we dipped the wig until we seen the color change. One bottle wasn't enough, so we had to add one more. The wig had an excess amount of glue from the previous install. In order to remove the glue, we will soak the lace in conditioner and let it sit for about 5 minutes. Then we will scrub the remaining adhesive off using a rat tail comb. This is a crucial step that will help ensure a seamless lace mount. Next, I'll be plucking the unnecessary hair off the lace. Section off the hairline and pluck behind to get a more natural appearance. Now moving on to the wig install. First, we'll start off by braiding down the client's hair in small sections so when we are installing the wig, it lays flat. Next, we'll add some wild growth hair oil to keep the hair nice and moisturized while underneath the wig. Make sure to properly clean your client's skin using 90% rubbing alcohol or higher. Now add got2b black gel to the hairline. Use a rat tail or edge control comb to lay all the baby hairs back. It is important to make sure all the client's hair is out of the hairline. Apply a wig cap close to your client's skin tone. After wig cap is placed on your client's head, cut holes at each side of the client's ears to make sure the cap stays in place. Apply a small amount of the got2b gel on the client's hairline. Then go through and spray the got2b spray on top of the gel. Place client under the dryer for 10 to 15 minutes until cap is fully dried. Take your scissors and cut off the sections of the cap that are not sprayed. Then apply a light amount of foundation close to your client's tone on the cap. Next, wipe off any foundation that may have touched your client's skin using the rubbing alcohol. Place 3 thin layers of the bold hold glue on the outline of the client's hairline. Each layer you apply, make sure it dries clear before applying the next. Now we'll place the wig on the client's head. Ask your client to place one finger on each side of the wig to hold in place while melting the lace into the glue. Cut off any excess lace and apply more glue if necessary. If your client would like baby hairs, section out small pieces from the hairline and cut to the desired length. Then take the Lotta Body foam and your baby hair comb to form baby hairs. After applying baby hairs, grab a silk wrap or a headband to tie around edges. To make the wig more secure, adjust the elastic strap to fit the client's head. Then take a needle and thread and stitch each side of the wig for more security. Section hair starting from bottom to top and stitch across. Before styling client's hair, I added BioSilk to keep hair nice and hydrated. Now I'm going to blow dry and straighten my client's hair before adding loose curls. Lastly, I will finish up by adding curls to my client's hair. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Also, follow me on Instagram and be on the lookout for my upcoming hair classes.